Welcome to Consumer Picks. Your engine creates constant heat, friction, and contaminants, and your oil filter is the first line of defense keeping that debris away from critical engine parts. Today, I'm ranking the 10 best oil filters of 2026, from budget options to premium long-life filters built for 20,000-mile intervals. Let's count them down. Starting at number 10, the A Premium Protection Spin-On Oil Filter. This is the Toyota and Lexus specialist on the list, offering broad compatibility at a very reasonable price. It's a cartridge-style filter, and importantly, it includes the required O-rings in the box, so you're not hunting for extra parts during an oil change. The semi-synthetic filter media delivers 99% filtration efficiency and is rated for up to 10,000 miles, making it suitable for both conventional and synthetic oil users. It's designed to provide reliable, everyday engine protection without driving up maintenance costs. For Toyota and Lexus owners looking for a dependable, properly spec'd replacement filter at an affordable price, the A Premium is a smart and practical choice. Number 9. The ACDelco GM PF63. And for Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, and Cadillac owners, this is the filter that should be at the top of your list and the engineering reason why matters more than most people realize. Modern GM engines are built with high oil flow rates that require filters with specific bypass valve settings. The PF63 uses a nylon poppet-style bypass valve calibrated precisely to these requirements. Filters from other manufacturers, even quality ones, may have different bypass settings than today's GM engines demand. When bypass settings are mismatched, unfiltered oil can bypass the filter element entirely and reach engine bearings. The PF63 is equipped with DuraGuard media for filtration efficiency and dirt holding capacity, designed and validated by the same GM engineers who built your vehicle. For any GM vehicle owner, this is the correct engineering choice. Number 8. The Purolator Boss. Purolator invented the automotive oil filter, and the Boss is the pinnacle of their current lineup: maximum protection, maximum interval, and maximum construction quality. The Smart Fusion full synthetic media delivers over 99% dirt removal efficiency, the highest filtration rating on this list. The heavy-duty Boss steel casing and double helix metal center tube are built to withstand extreme pressure while actively optimizing oil circulation, not just permitting it. The PuroSeal gasket made from ethylene acrylic provides maximum leak protection and long service life. The silicone anti-drainback valve maintains oil at the filter between engine cycles, protecting against dry starts even after extended idle periods. Compatible with select Chevrolet, Dodge, Ford, Jeep, and Ram models, verify exact fitment before ordering. Full synthetic media, 20,000-mile rating, premium sealing, and heavy-duty steel construction. Number 7. The Mann Oil Filter. Mann Filter is one of the most respected filtration manufacturers in the world, an OE supplier to major European automakers who bring that same engineering standard to their aftermarket lineup. The Mann filter philosophy is straightforward and credible. Develop filters that work in harmony with high-performance oils and handle the latest technological challenges, while also supporting older engines through a broad product range. Bypass valves with clearly defined opening characteristics and leak-free closing are precision behaviors that ensure consistent, predictable performance across the filter's service life. Efficient separation and high dirt holding capacity with minimal pressure drop means effective contaminant removal without restricting the oil flow your engine depends on. Mann's OE supplier heritage shows in the consistent quality, filters engineered to the same standards as the parts that come in new vehicles from the factory. For European vehicle owners especially, Mann is one of the most credible names in aftermarket filtration. Number 6. The Fram XtraGuard. And as always with Fram, I want to address the brand context directly before the specs, because it's relevant and fair to do so. Fram's mixed reputation in the automotive community stems from earlier spin-on filter quality issues that circulated widely online. The XtraGuard is a current generation filter that should be evaluated on what it actually delivers rather than on its legacy reputation. The proprietary blend of cellulose and glass filter media, not standard cellulose alone, provides advanced engine protection for both conventional and synthetic motor oils. It captures 95% of dirt particles while maintaining dirt-holding capacity across the full 10,000-mile service interval. The silicone non-drainback valve delivers up to 3 times the hot oil resistance of standard valves, a meaningful specification for engines operating at high temperatures. The SureGrip textured surface makes installation and removal cleaner and more controllable, which matters in tight engine bay situations. For everyday drivers who change oil on schedule and want solid protection at a competitive price, the Fram ExtraGuard delivers. Number 5. The K&N Premium. The performance-focused pick on this list, built specifically for engines that operate under more demanding conditions than a standard daily commuter. The K&N Premium leads with exceptional oil flow rates, its core engineering differentiator. Where most filters prioritize filtration efficiency and accept some flow restriction as the trade-off, the K&N is designed to deliver both effective contaminant removal and consistently high oil delivery under demanding conditions. For high RPM engines, towing applications, performance driving, or any use case where oil pressure and delivery speed matter for lubrication and cooling, that flow priority is a meaningful advantage. The pleated synthetic blend filtration media removes harmful contaminants across all oil types, synthetic, conventional, and blended. For any engine that works harder than average, or for drivers who want maximum oil flow assurance on top of reliable filtration, the K&N Premium is the right choice. Number 4. The Amsoil EA15K88. The full synthetic media uses smaller fibers than traditional filters, which delivers lower restriction, particularly during cold temperature warm-up periods when oil is thickest and flow restriction causes the most wear. Lower restriction at cold start means oil reaches critical components faster, reducing the brief but damaging metal-on-metal contact period that causes disproportionate wear over time. The media is resin-free to resist degradation from hot oil, a construction choice that maintains filtration performance across extended service intervals without the media breaking down. Fully tucked seams, molded element seal, roll-formed threads, and premium-grade silicone anti-drainback valve complete a construction profile that reflects Amsoil's commitment to extended interval performance. For serious synthetic oil users who want the highest documented filtration efficiency available in a consumer oil filter, the Amsoil EA15K88 is the engineering standout on this list. Number 3. The Purolator One. The high-density synthetic blend media captures over 99% of dirt with expanded dirt-holding capacity across a 15,000-mile service interval. That puts it in mid-tier synthetic oil territory, appropriate for modern synthetic change intervals without requiring top-tier pricing. The PTFE-treated gasket is a sealing material chosen for heat resistance and flexibility across extended service windows, easy to install, easy to remove, and reliably leak-proof. The silicone anti-drainback valve maintains oil at the filter between engine cycles, ensuring immediate full lubrication on every startup. The double helix high-flow center tube and wear-resistant metal end caps provide structural integrity for harsher operating conditions across the full 15,000-mile interval. The Purolator One doesn't lead with one flashy spec. It executes every element at a high level, consistently, at a price that makes advanced filtration accessible to any driver. Number 2. The Mobil 1M 1-110A Extended Performance. The most recognized name in synthetic oil brings the same extended performance engineering philosophy to filtration, and every specification reflects that alignment. High-efficiency synthetic blend media removes over 99% of contaminants across the full service window. Protection is rated for up to 20,000 miles or 1 year, a dual standard rating that covers both mileage-based and time-based change intervals. The heavy-duty canister is engineered to withstand up to 9 times normal operating pressure, a structural commitment that protects across cold starts, high RPM operation, and sustained heavy load driving over a 20,000-mile interval. The enhanced nitrile gasket provides leak resistance and was chosen specifically for oil resistance and temperature stability. For synthetic oil users who want warranty-backed, pressure-rated, 20,000-mile extended performance protection, the Mobil 1M 1-110A is the premium choice. And the number 1 best oil filter of 2026 is the Wix XP. Wix invented the spin-on oil filter, Decades of refinement have produced a product that consistently earns its position at the top of serious oil filter discussions, among mechanics, enthusiasts, and everyday drivers who've simply never had a problem with it. The next-generation synthetic blended media with natural fibers achieves 99% filtration efficiency at 23 microns without requiring wire backing, a cleaner media construction that doesn't need reinforcement to perform at that level. The fitment engineering is precise, designed for a perfect, hassle-free installation for both DIY mechanics doing their own maintenance and professional shops running high volume. Precise fit on an extended interval filter matters more than on a standard one. The filter stays on the engine longer, and a properly seated installation ensures it performs correctly across that entire window. From the company that invented spin-on oil filtration, the Wix XP remains the standard everything else gets measured against. There are your 10 best oil filters of 2026. Links to all 10 are in the description below. Always verify fitment for your specific vehicle before ordering. If this helped you choose the right filter, drop a like. It genuinely helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more picks, and I'll see you in the next one.